Hello everyone, so how to sign up for iOS 14 beta version. So you just need to go to apple.com and then just find this iOS 14. So this is, okay, let's just go to the home page where it's located. So I'm in Denmark, but it doesn't matter, so just click on iOS 14 and then scroll to the very bottom of this page, and somewhere here there should be like a button to join the Apple beta program. So just tap on that and then we'll go to this URL. So you can also just go to betaapple.com. So there you have it. So you can sign up for that. I think it will be coming around like mid-July. So just sign up with your Apple ID here. So you just need to sign up here. So I will do that. So I signed up, I received some verification code. I tap a button that I trust this browser, and then there is this Apple beta software program. And then I just can tap accept. And then there is like a guide for all this stuff. So there you have it. So that's that. I think before, so it will be available in the like standard settings general software update here, I guess, but also it's recommended to do a backup of your device, because there can be some bugs and issues which can crash your iPhone or other iOS device. So just make sure to do like a backup before you downloading that. And that's basically it. So you signed up. So you need to enroll your device. And then just go to betaapple.com profile, and then you need to download this profile, and then again this so just follow the steps here, and then as I just show you, in settings general software update you will have any available beta software. So just install this beta profile on your iOS device and then follow the instructions, and that's it. So that's how you enroll in iOS 14 beta program. Hope that was helpful.